Chal, huwag ka masyadong magalaw.
Ha? Hindi nga ako gumagalaw eh.
Gumagalaw yung eyeballs mo eh.
Iko, ano ba? Hello?
Oo, pause mo na. Oo.
Ano ba ginagawa mo?
Actually, tinitingnan ko lang kung pwede ba ako maging isang photographer.
Photographer. Well, to be in that career, kailangan seryoso ka. So gusto ko lang malaman, interesado ka pa talaga or napag-isipan mo lang?
Of course naman, interesado ako, no?
Well, alam mo, Iko, kung interesado ka talaga sa mga ganitong bagay, yung mga photography, kailangan alam mo yung mga twists and turns ng career na yan.
Tamang-tama. Dahil for tonight, ang episode natin will be about the photography and videography business.
And speaking about photography business, parang malapit na rin ng June, ah.
Dan, dan, dan. Siyempre, it's the season for weddings at in demand na naman ang mga photographers and videographers all around the country.
Kaya ikaw, huwag na natin sila pahintayin.
Guys, be ready for your close-up.
I'm Chang.
And I am Iko.
Welcome sa pinakabigating business show, ang
Go Negosyo Big Time!
Go!
Posible! Gaano nga ba ka-lucrative ang photography business? At magkano ang kinikita ng bawat studio kada araw?
Alam mo, Iko, that's a good question. Paano nga malalaman kung paano kumikita ang isang business? Di lang sa photography business, but in any other kind of business.
Novatronics is a multi-activity company. We are into engineering contracting. We do a lot of projects for the semicon companies and other manufacturing companies. We also do electronics manufacturing. We even have our electric bicycles. We also export some of our products worldwide. And another division, of course, is electronics imaging. Electronics imaging started year 2000. Actually, as an offshoot of the Asian financial crisis, medyo naghirap yung aming office, so we decided to put up electronic product retail store, which did not click. So we added an additional service, which is the photo studio, which turned out to be okay, and then eventually branched out into a separate division in the company, which is the Electronics Imaging Group.
Word for the day. Markup.
Markup?
Markup is the difference between the invoice cost and the selling price. It may be either expressed as a percentage of the selling price or the cost price and is supposed to cover all costs of doing business plus profit. Whether markup is based on the cost price or the selling price, the base is always equal to 100.
Iko, it seems to me you're speaking French. Make it simpler, please.
Ang gross profit margin is the difference between yung input cost mo at saka yung final selling price. Hindi normally sinasama dito yung mga fixed cost. Ano ba ang mga fixed cost? Rental is basically a fixed cost. Labor, meaning yung salaries and wages are typically fixed cost. No? Kuryente, in a sense, medyo fixed na rin. Hindi nagbabari ng gusto yan. So, ang kasama lang dyan is the material cost and then the selling price.
Pero kung photography or videography yung business mo, paano ka maglalagay ng markup?
Alam mo, Iko, that's a good point. Because photography and videography fall under the services business, right? So, medyo mahirap mag-calculate kung magkano or kailangan mong gawin na markup, especially for new business owners.
For example, sa studio business, ang fixed cost mo dito would be yung rentals and labor. At saka yung mga cameras na nabili mo na, yung mga investments mo. Ang variable cost mo normally are kung inkjet ang printer mo is the ink and the photo paper. So, ang gagawin mo, kunyari, ang inkjet at saka photo paper cost mo is 12 pesos, ibabawas mo sa final prices. In Tronics case, it's 60 pesos. So, 60 minus 12, ang gross profit margin mo is 48 pesos. That's roughly about 20% ang iyong cost to produce. Ang GPM mo, bali, ang lumalabas 80%.
Medyo nga mas komplikado ang pag-compute ng markup kapag service business ang pinag-uusapan as compared to other businesses.
Kaya dapat din siguro i-research ang going rate na ibinabayad sa mga employees at yung mga market prices para sa mga services na pinoprovide nila. Para easier, di ba?
At competitive.
Myth or fact? Madali lang magpatong ng interes kasi wala namang standard rule na sinusunod. Kung magkano ang interes na gusto mo, ganun lang kasimple yun.
I think to understand gross profit, it's important to make a distinction between variable and fixed costs.
Eh ano nga bang pagkakaiba nun?
Well, Iko, the way I understand it, variable costs are those that change based on the amount of the product being made and are acquired as a direct result of producing the product.
Kasama siguro dyan yung materials na ginagamit, direct labor, packaging, shipment, salaries ng mga supervisors, at iba pang mga tauhan.
At huwag mong kakalimutan ang depreciation expense ng production equipment and machineries mo, di ba? It is very important to know what kind of photography business you want so that the relevant requirements and even the finance can be muscled up.
When we return, we are going to talk about the different types of photography business na pwede niyong pasukin.
So keep watching dito lang sa pinakabigating business show ang
Go Negosyo Big Time! Okay na, Chalo. Post ka naman dyan. Secrets!
May remembrance sila pag medyo tumanda na, di ba?
Ano po, para po siyang may memories, ganun po.
Gwapo daw kasi sila.
O para, halimbawa, pag may maganda, pag may okasyon, para parang maramdaman nila na, yun, ano ba, hindi ko lang sasabihin ko.
Siguro doon nila nilalagay yung mga special memories nila.
It has to do with vanity. And vanity moves all people.
Picture paints 1,000 words. Talagang madali ang caption ng publiko kapag may picture na ipinipresent.
Si Bane.
Gusto nila makita yung sarili nila. Hindi ko alam.
Photo addict.
Kasi masaya. Moments.
Gusto nila mag-keep ng memories. So, maganda daw. Ewan ko.
Hey, Iko, a piece for your thoughts.
Piso lang? Ang cheap mo naman. Piso lang.
Starting my own business, no, I have to be vigilant. It's just right I be vigilant about these things.
Okay. Actually, kasi iniisip ko lang na pag sinabi mong photography, ibig sabihin nun, picture-picture ka lang. Alam mo yun, simple, sobrang simple lang. Pero ibang klase pala. So ma'am, kailangan nyo po na mag-print ng pictures from your laptop. Am I right? For now, pirma po muna kayo ng order slip natin. So you must write your name and kapabal ko. Okay, so all you have to do is open up your Bluetooth. Meron naman po sigurong Bluetooth yung laptop niya. Okay, so open up your Bluetooth. Tapos i-detect nyo lang po muna yung mga yung Evo 3 din sa sa Bluetooth detection nyo. Okay, ma'am? Ito po, okay po ba sa inyo yung picture na yan? Okay. So, i-send po natin yan. Click. Tapos, hahanapin natin ang device. So, we search for Evo 3. Tapos, all we have to do is i-send it. So, one click of a button.